Okay, let's then come over and look at, I'll start with the currencies since they've come up first. Bitcoin, it's spiked and reversed through this level here. It has technically taken out the possibility of an impulse here. So all that leaves us, and this first move up does look like an ABC. So I think it's 1, 2, this would be the 3, this should be the 4. Another high in an ABC gives us a leading diagonal up off the low, considerably less reliable than an impulse wave for trading. But if it hits and holds a fib on the way back, very much going to make another high without taking out 35.99. Takes out 35.99, invalidates even a diagonal. So still no confirmation that this is the low in Bitcoin at this particular point in time. And in fact, in Ethereum, I'm still expecting a further low down towards the 91, 92 area before we've seen the bottom of the pattern in Ethereum.